So you've got a hunch about where the market is going. But how do you turn that feeling into an actual trade? Well, today, we're going to break down the first two trades every single beginner should know, the call and the put. Let's jump right in. Right? This is the big question. You've done your homework, you've got a solid opinion, you think the market's about to soar, or maybe you're convinced it's headed for a drop. So what do you do about it? How do you actually put your money where your mouth is?
The answer, thankfully, is pretty simple. It all starts with your basic trading toolkit. To act on pretty much any market prediction, you really only need to master two powerful, straightforward tools.
And here they are. It's honestly this simple. If you're bullish, you think the market's going up, your move is to buy a call option. And if you're bearish, you think it's going down, you buy a put option. One prediction, one action. That's it.
Now you might be asking, why start with these two? Well, it all comes down to one thing: peace of mind. Your risk is completely capped. The absolute most you can ever lose is the amount you paid to enter the trade. That's it. There are no surprise margin calls, no complicated adjustments to make. It's clean, simple, and you always know exactly where you stand. All right, let's get into the first scenario. You're feeling bullish. You think the market's ready to run. It's time to open up the Bull's playbook. The official name for this strategy is a long call. You buy a call option, which is just a fancy way of saying you're buying the right to purchase an asset at a predetermined price. So if you think the price is going to go up, you buy a call. As the market climbs, the value of that right you're holding, well, that climbs right along with it.
Let's make this feel real with an example. Let's say you're bullish on the Nifty index. You decide to buy one lot of a call option, which is 25 units. The price for that option, we call it the premium, is 80 rupees per unit. So your total upfront investment, and more importantly, your total risk, is just 2,000 rupees.
Okay, so when do you actually start making money? For that, you need to find your break-even point. It's super simple. You take the strike price, that's the price you have the right to buy at, in our case, 24,100. Then you just add the 80 rupee premium you paid for the option. That gives you 24,180. Nifty needs to climb past that number for your trade to be profitable.
And this slide just lays out the entire game plan for you. You can see the Nifty example right there. The total cost, that's just the lot size, 25, times the premium of 80. And the break-even, you just add that premium back to the strike price of 24,100. This is the complete formula for any bullish trade you want to make.
And what happens when you're right? That's the best part. Let's say Nifty has a great day and rallies all the way to 24,300. The premium on your option is going to jump up, and after you subtract what you paid for it, you're looking at a nice, clean profit of 1,700 rupees. Pretty great for a 2,000 rupee risk.
But what if you're wrong? This is probably the most important part for any new trader to understand. If the market turns against you, the absolute maximum you can possibly lose is the 2,000 rupees you paid for that option in the first place. That's it. Your risk is totally defined from the moment you click buy.
Okay, you've got the Bull's playbook down. Let's flip the script. What do you do when you think the market is headed for a fall? It's time to learn the Bear's playbook.
And here it is, the long put. It's literally the mirror image of a long call. This time you're buying a put option, which is the right to sell at a set price. So if you think the market is about to drop, you buy a put. And as the price falls, your potential profit goes up.
Let's run the numbers for our bearish example, shall we? You think Nifty's looking weak, so you buy one lot of a Nifty put option. The premium this time is 70 rupees. With a lot size of 25, your total cost, your total risk, is 1,750 rupees.
Now pay close attention, because the break-even math is a little different here, and it's a key detail. You take the strike price, 23,900, but this time you subtract the premium you paid. So Nifty has to fall below 23,830 for you to get into the profit zone.
And here's our bearish blueprint, all laid out. Again, the cost calculation is simple. The big thing to remember is the break-even formula. You take that strike price and you subtract the premium. That tells you the exact point the market has to drop below for you to be in the money.
Now for the payoff. Let's say your bearish call was spot on and Nifty drops down to 23,700. The value of your put option is going to skyrocket. In this scenario, your profit would be a solid 2,000 rupees.
And what about that safety net? It's still there. If the market does the unexpected and rallies instead, the absolute most you can lose is your initial investment of 1,750 rupees. No surprises, no chasing losses. Your downside is completely locked in.
Okay, knowing the tools is half the battle. But a smart trader, a disciplined trader, knows how to use them. And that means having a crystal clear plan for when to get in and, just as important, when to get out.
And this is absolutely crucial. You can't just trade on a hunch. You have to wait for confirmation. As you can see, for a bullish long call, you're looking for a clear breakout above a resistance level. For a bearish long put, you want to see a solid breakdown below support. You let the market prove your theory before you commit your capital.
Every single trade you make needs an exit plan for both possible outcomes. A really great rule of thumb for taking profits is to cash out when your premium doubles. And for cutting your losses, have a strict stop loss. If that premium drops by, say, 30 to 50%, or if the reason you got into the trade in the first place just isn't there anymore, you get out, period. All right, to wrap things up, let's talk about the mistakes that pretty much every new trader makes. Seriously, knowing what these traps are is the first and most important step to making sure you don't fall into them yourself. Here they are, the big four. 1. Don't just blindly buy those super cheap, way out of the money options because they look like a lottery ticket. They're cheap for a reason. 2. Don't jump the gun. Wait for the breakout to actually be confirmed. 3. Don't just hold a losing trade, hoping and praying it'll turn around. Cut your losses. And 4. Never, ever, ever trade without a stop-loss plan.
You know, when you boil it all down, it comes back to this one simple idea. These strategies, buying calls and buying puts, are for when you expect a big move. If you think the market is just going to chop around sideways, these aren't the right place. You need momentum on your side. So there you have it, the Bulls playbook and the Bears playbook. You've got the fundamental strategies, you understand the risk is limited, and you know the basic rules of the game. So I guess the only question left is, when you look at the charts tomorrow, what's the very first signal you're going to be watching for? Happy trading.